and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for posting this video late, you guys. I was super busy yesterday. I went out to lunch with my husband and then just never got a chance to do this video, and then we took my son trick-or-treating, and I have to do these videos when he is out of the room because I need complete silence. So here is the Walgreens ad preview for November 4th through November 10th. Now please keep in mind, you guys, now this is the week where you guys can only redeem $5 worth of points. Like I said, I think it's kind of dumb. Hopefully this doesn't last long, but with the sales that have been going on for these past couple weeks, I feel like it doesn't really matter unless you guys really need some stuff. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up. So that is the week that it starts. So Sunday is the first day that it starts, where you guys can only redeem up to $5 worth of points. Now you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, or $5. Just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Here they have a you get 5,000 points when you guys spend $25 or more. None of us ever spend $25 or more on stuff like that, but there is that in case you guys need that. Now here they got Snickers and M&M's candy, Starburst, Oreos for 75 cents. Now I do know we are getting the Oreo Milk Bars. We're getting, I think, 55% off coupons for that. So you guys could end up getting those for 20 cents a piece, which could be a pretty good deal. I'm already candied out already because, yeah. Here we got nuts for $3.99. I always like getting nuts for my family for the holidays. Like, this is something I like to get. Sometimes I'd rather just buy food than always buying gifts and stuff. So that's something, if you guys are interested in something like that. I do think sometimes these go down in price, but it's hard to say, to see what you guys are interested in. Now we're going on the next page. Now they got Jell-O 2 for $1. I think that's actually a pretty good price for 50 cents a piece. It looks like Jell-O and pudding. I'm loving the pudding right now. Sorry, you guys can't see it very much, but I love the pudding. I know, it's weird. But sorry, I'm out of breath. I just talk a lot. But yeah, not a lot of food, but they are getting a lot of baking stuff, like the Betty Crockers, buy one, get one free. You're getting the sugar and the oil for $1.79, flour $1.99, baking soda 89 cents. So they're working on you guys to start baking. I know. Here we got some other food deals. Now here we got Campbell's soup and then the Green Giant. Now I know for sure we're getting Campbell's coupons. I can't remember what brand we are getting for the vegetables. I think it was the Green Giant, but I am not sure. But we are getting 40 cents off of 4 coupons if you guys are interested in that. So it's buy one, get one free. So depending on what the prices are, it still might be cheaper at the grocery store. But it's up to you guys if you guys are interested in that. Here we got Lindsay olives. Now in the past they've been 2 for $2. Now they're just 99 cents. So it's pretty much the same price. You just don't have to buy 2 of them this time if you guys are looking at buying olives for the holidays. Here we got some drinks and some gum. Not really anything's popping out at me in this page, but I have a feeling that they're going to do a lot more food deals because everybody buys the food. So yeah, more food stuff. Not really anything that's really popping out me. They got Wheat Thins and Chips Ahoy for $2.99. Looks like there'll be $1 off a 2 coupon if you guys are interested in that. Goldfish, $1.49. I usually see that. I always buy that when it's like 99 cents, but that could be a pretty good deal. Here we got Dixie plates. Buy one, get one free. We are getting $1 off of 2 coupons. Plus, usually there is a deal in Saving Star for $1 off of 2, so there could be some pretty good deals. Usually you can get those for like $1 or something like that. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. Here we got some cleaning products. Sorry you guys can't see it very well, but here they got, when you guys spend $20, you get 5,000 points. Now they got the Renews-Its, they got the Snuggle, the Persil for $4.99. So depending on what deals you guys can do with that. Here they got some Christmas stuff already on sale. Now also make sure you guys check your Halloween. Some stores are going to be at 50% off right away, and then some will be even lower than that as it goes on. Now we're going to be seeing some medicines and all that jazz. Nothing really popping out at me on this. Here they got Robitussin, Advil, and Dime Tap. Now those are $5.99. We are getting $3 off coupons, it looks like. So they'll come out to be $2.99. Now if you guys buy 2, you'll end up getting 3,000 points, which comes out to be $1.49 a piece. So that could be a good deal. Now there is a Halls deal. Now I'm not sure if the Halls deal is still available. on Ibotta, and I don't know if it was just for Walmart or if it was for any store, but we are getting coupons on those if you guys are interested in hauls. Vitamins, they're always buy one, get one free all the time. Buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one free. Now here's something I talked to my husband about. This is the 23andMe Personal Genetic Service Saliva Collection Kit. Now it's not the big one, it's just a simple one. But it looks like it's going to be $29.99, and then it looks like there is going to be a $20 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. I do not have the booklet. I didn't get access to the booklet this time. But you guys could end up getting that for 10 bucks, which could be a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in that. Now, it's just the saliva test. It's not the big test, but I think if you guys are interested in something like that for a gift for Christmas, that could be a little something, little gift that you guys could get for somebody. Now, Crest deal, $3.99. We're getting $1 off coupons. $6 off register reward when you guys buy 3. Don't do that. It's a ripoff. Yeah. Actually, no, they come out to be 99 cents, so maybe not. I can't count. But here's a good freebie for you guys. The Colgate toothpaste is $3.99. We're getting $2 off coupons, making them $1.99. When you guys buy 2 of them, you get a $4. Actually, you get $4 in points. Now, this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So if you guys pay $5 or $4 in points, you guys will get $4 back in points. So that comes out to be free. So that is a pretty good deal. So if you guys are interested in doing that, buy coupons, stock up on toothpaste. More personal care stuff. Not really anything that's just popping out at me. I think if they make the pictures bigger, it makes people want to buy them, but not me. They got CoverGirl. If you spend $15 or more, you get 3,000 points. Now we are getting 2 coupons for those, and there's the buy one, get one 50%. Rimmel, if you spend, I think it says 10. I think it's 10. You get 2,000 points. So if you guys spend over 10, plus those go towards beauty, so those are bigger points for that. They got Wet n Wild. Sorry, you guys can't see everything. Wet n Wild's going to be 40% off, so if you guys have any Wet n Wild coupons, I don't know what's out there, but they got that. The soft soap is buy one, get one 50% off. If you guys buy 4 of them, you get 4,000 points. The Tone and the Dial Body Wash is buy one, get one free. But then if you spend 20, you get 5,000 points, so that's not the greatest deal. Okay, more stuff. Love and Beauty. So if you spend $12 or more, you get 3,000 points. Looks like they're $6.99. Now here's a good deal. Aussie and Herbal Essence. Now I was going to say this wasn't a good week. This is probably one of the better weeks I've actually seen in a long time at Walgreens. I think they really want you guys to start shopping there because they knew a lot of people were wasting their points. So that's probably why they're doing this. So the Aussie is 2 for $6. We are getting 2 off of 2 coupons. You guys would end up paying $8 for 4 of them because it says you get 4,000 points when you guys buy 4 of them. So after 4,000 points, they come out to be $1 each. I love their mousse. That's the stuff I use like crazy. So if you guys are interested in a deal like that, now we're just going to skim through here. And now we're on the last page of the Walgreens ad. Nothing that's really popping out me here. They got the Gillette Mach 3. It looks like it's just the razors. They're $9.99. I'm not sure what coupons are out there, but you guys get a $5 register reward when you use that. So if you're interested in that, depending on what coupon, you could probably get a pretty good deal. The brushes, these brush set, I know Running Komodo loves this brush set, so these are $15 on sale. So they're regularly 30 bucks, shows with 50% off, they'll be 15. Got pistachios, those are $5. Actually, I'm probably going to do that deal. I'm going to try to see if there's any coupons for it because I love to give pistachios out for Christmas, so we got that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Walgreens ad preview. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Just remember the new week starts this Sunday, so you guys will only be able to do $5 worth of points, but I'm hoping we get some really good, I think now since the whole point thing is, they're probably going to have some really good deals. So I'm hoping you guys find some good deals. And yes, and I forgot what else I was going to say, but I hope to see you guys later and see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.